This innovative humanoid robot from the Chinese company Agibot has learned to do a variety of jobs, including preparing meals of any complexity, through training and the use of artificial intelligence. In a matter of minutes, this robot can make anything from the most basic sandwich to a gourmet meal utilizing the ingredients at hand. It can also help with housework, laundry, and cleaning. Because of their humanoid nature, Agibot robots can interact with human-designed environments with ease. The company's robots are a big advancement since they provide ways to automate routine chores. They are promising helpers in many facets of life due to their capacity for learning and adaptation. An inventive robotic chef called Start One has been unveiled by engineers from the Chinese business robot era. It is intended to automate food preparation procedures in homes and restaurants. This humanoid robot can move like a human hand thanks to its two sophisticated manipulators, which have 7 degrees of freedom. Start One is a multi-purpose kitchen helper that can cook a variety of foods, including frying, boiling, baking, and steaming, thanks to programmed algorithms. Its ability to handle chopsticks is one of its most distinctive characteristics. Its robotic hands are designed with fine motor skills in mind, allowing it to precisely grip and manipulate ingredients, prepare Asian cuisine, and even serve food with authenticity and accuracy. Another robotic chef has also been introduced by the Chinese company Elephant Robotics, a humanoid robot called Mercury X1. This robot, with a height of 1.2 meters, is designed to perform various tasks, including culinary operations. Mercury X1 has 19 degrees of freedom, providing high flexibility and maneuverability, allowing it to perform complex cooking tasks, such as chopping, mixing, and plating dishes. The robot can carry up to 1 kilogram of payload, enabling it to safely handle various kitchen tools and ingredients. As an effective kitchen assistant, it can travel up to 1.2 meters per second and operate independently for up to 8 hours. The Mercury X1 can adjust to various recipes and cooking methods because to its clever features, which include a 9-inch touchscreen, smart artificial intelligence capabilities, and advanced sensors. The Chinese have unveiled the M01, a new humanoid robot that can do a wide range of domestic duties and greatly simplify daily life. This robot combines the functions of a cleaner, cook, laundry assistant, and even a helper for pet care. The robot is equipped with advanced technologies, including artificial intelligence and an object recognition system. One of the main functions of M01 is cooking various dishes. M01 can perform basic culinary tasks, such as cutting ingredients, mixing, and preparing simple meals. Thanks to pre-programmed recipes, it can cook food in automatic mode. Additionally, the robot is capable of handling ironing. Its manipulators carefully process fabrics without damaging them. The American company Blended has created a unique robot capable of making smoothies just as well as a human. This robotic kiosk is fully automated and utilizes advanced technologies in artificial intelligence, robotics, and data analysis. The innovative system allows the robot to adapt to individual user preferences, creating drinks that perfectly match their tastes. The robot is equipped with a manipulator and multiple ingredient dispensers, enabling it to prepare up to 9 smoothies simultaneously. The entire process from selecting ingredients to serving the finished drink takes approximately 3 minutes. Users can customize their orders directly at the kiosk or through mobile application. These robots can operate in high-traffic locations, such as universities, shopping malls, and supermarkets, preparing fresh and healthy drinks with minimal human involvement. The recently developed Chinese humanoid robot, Astrobot S1, has mastered a wide range of culinary skills. Created by the startup Astrobot, this robot is capable of performing complex kitchen tasks, such as making waffles and conducting a traditional tea ceremony. Astrobot S1 is equipped with highly dexterous arms, that can move at speeds of up to 10 meters per second and lift loads weighing up to 10 kilograms. This combination of power and precision enables it to carry out delicate culinary operations, including carefully pouring tea in accordance with traditional Chinese ceremony practices. Beyond its culinary abilities, the robot demonstrates skills such as feeding pets, vacuuming rooms, and even practicing Chinese martial arts like Kung Fu. Astrobot S1 can operate autonomously or be remotely controlled via a virtual reality headset, allowing users to direct its actions in real time. The Chinese have once again introduced a robot that can fully replace a chef in the kitchen. At the core of this innovation is QB Robotics, a forward-thinking startup revolutionizing the robotic space. Their latest creation, a multi-purpose robotic arm, takes versatility to the next level. Originally designed for compatibility across different industries, this robotic arm is now finding its place in professional kitchens, manufacturing lines, and logistics centers alike. What makes this robotic arm stand out? It's not just the mechanical strength or the advanced AI. It's the seamless integration of computer vision systems, which allow the robot to recognize various objects, analyze their weight, shape, and material, and then determine how to interact with them. Whether it's a fragile egg or a tough chunk of meat, the robot knows exactly how much pressure to apply and how to handle it delicately and safely. Thanks to its adaptable grip technology, this robotic arm can switch between handling soft, squishy materials and heavy, rigid objects without damaging them. It adjusts its gripping force in real time and can function in environments that would challenge even skilled human workers, tight spaces, hard surfaces, or high-speed workflows. More than just a single device, this robotic arm is a collaborative tool designed to communicate with other robotic systems. In a fully automated environment, it can sync with conveyor belts, smart ovens, storage systems, and even other robotic arms, forming a network of intelligent machines working in harmony. So what does this mean for the future? Picture a restaurant kitchen staffed not just by humans, but by an integrated system of robotic chefs and helpers, all synchronized to prepare meals faster, more efficiently, and with greater consistency than ever before. Imagine a world where home kitchens feature robotic assistants that help busy parents, elderly individuals, or people with disabilities prepare nutritious meals at home with minimal effort. This isn't just about automation. It's about empowering people through technology, making high-quality meals accessible to more households, and allowing chefs to focus on creativity while machines take care of repetitive tasks. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As robotic technologies evolve and become more affordable, we could see these intelligent arms and chefs becoming a regular part of our homes, schools, hospitals, and businesses, changing not only how we cook, but how we live. So now we ask you, which robot from this video impressed you the most? Was it the multi-tool chef with its graceful cooking techniques, or the all-purpose robotic arm with unmatched flexibility and vision? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this look into the future of cooking fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tech that's reshaping the world. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and welcome to the future.